Gotta hold on, hold on. You see little glimmers of
Where you go, I will go. Where you lodge, I will lodge. Your people shall be my people, and your God my God. Where you die, I will die. There will I be buried.
Importante, mamahalin ko siya hanggang pagtanda namin. Magkasama pa rin, masaya. Hindi ko siya iiwan. Kahit anong mangyari.
all the little seconds that we hold. Every single breath we get to take. Don't let them go to waste. Give it all your heart and soul. They'll be gone before you know. So treasure it like gold. All the little seconds that we hold.
Babae, mahal ako. Hindi kita iiwan. Hanggang pagtanda. Kung iwan mo ko, doon lang.
Give it all your heart and soul. They'll be gone before you know. So treasure it like gold.
Lights on, lights off.
Oo.
Raymond, knowing of no legal or moral reason why you may not be united with Ces, do you take Ces to be your spouse, loving and caring for her in the many joys and sorrows you both will face?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I felt the branches, are they looking at me? Is this the place we used to love? Is this the place that I've been dreaming of?
Knowing of no legal or moral reason why you may not be united with Raymond, do you take Raymond to be your spouse, loving and caring for him in the many joys and sorrows you both will face, united with him, but never claiming possession or dominion over him, treating Raymond always as your equal and partner for life?
Yes, I do.
We go talking about it somewhere only we know. This could be the end of everything. So why don't we go somewhere only we know? Somewhere only we know. Somewhere only we know.
Mahal, kahit nasa Australia ako, nagtatrabaho ko doon, huwag kang mambabae lang, yun lang yung hiling ko. Yun. Basta, nag-iisa ka lang.
Stars overhead turn my head and I caught you by eye for the first time. My life.
Do you both confirm that it is your intention of your own free will in this rite of holy union through Metropolitan Community Church?
I couldn't believe it. I couldn't see it for someone to see me like
Mahal, simula nung nakilala kita, nagbago ang mundo ko. Sa'yo na umiikot ang buhay ko at ngayon, andito na tayo sa harap ng ating mga magulang at Diyos, mga mahal sa buhay. At ipinapangako ko sa'yo, ikaw lang ang pagsisilbihan ko at mamahalin sa abot ng aking buhay.
Mahal, nandito lang ako lagi sa tabi mo. Nung nakilala kita, hindi na ako naghanap ng akala ko mabubuhay na lang ako ng single, pero binigay ka sa akin ng Panginoon. Pero nandito ako sa harapan mo, na pinili ka at pinili mo. Sana ang dasal ko ay ito ay panghabang buhay.
Still don't believe it. I couldn't see it for some